In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in OneNote. This is a simple but very useful feature that helps you focus on the exact part of an image you need, while keeping your notes clean and visually organized. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page where your image is already inserted. Make sure you are in the correct notebook and section so you can easily locate and edit your content. Once you've found the image you want to work with, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border appear around the image. After selecting the image, right-click on it to open a menu of additional options. If you're using a device with a different input method, you can use the equivalent command to bring up the same menu. From the list of options that appears, look for and select the Crop Image option. This will activate the cropping tool and allow you to adjust what part of the image remains visible. Once the crop tool is active, you'll notice small handles appear along the edges of the image. These handles are what you'll use to define the area you want to keep. Click and drag these handles inward or outward to frame the portion of the image that matters most to you. As you adjust the edges, you'll see the visible area change in real time, making it easier to fine-tune your selection. Take your time during this step to make sure everything is aligned the way you want. Cropping is especially helpful when you only need a specific section of an image, such as a screenshot, a diagram, or a photo, and want to remove unnecessary background details. When you're satisfied with your selection, simply click anywhere outside the image or press Enter on your keyboard. This will apply the crop and finalize your changes. The image will now display only the portion you selected, giving your notes a cleaner and more focused look. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your notes appear, especially when you're working with multiple images or trying to highlight important details. And that's it. You now know how to crop images in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.